So in our second exercise we are going to read the analog input, and the analog input we have the potentiometer, and the potentiometer I am using is of 10 kilo ohm. So here I can change the resistance of my potentiometer. Let's drop it down, and here is the 10 kilo ohm potentiometer. Okay, now I'll flip it, and here I'm going to do wire up. So output of the potentiometer I'm going to connect to the analog input. So here's the wiring of the analog inputs. Now let's do our programming section. As I have connected my potentiometer to analog input pin 1, so write in pot equals to 1, which is your analog input. Analog input. Okay, now in our void setup section, as you know, the potentiometer is an input, so we will declare pin mode pot input. Okay, now to enable the serial communication, we will write serial.boolean 9600. The 9600 is a perfect baud rate to communicate between computer and Arduino board. Now in our void loop section, we will write. Now we will read the values coming from analog input. Okay, as we have connected potentiometer, so that we could read the values of potentiometer, and the keyword we use analog V mod. Okay, now let's store this value to our new variable. Let's say val. Now I'll declare this val as a local variable. Okay, now print the values of our new variable. Okay, let's add some delay so that we could read the values. 50 milliseconds. Okay, now let's upload the code on your Arduino board. Here the code is being uploaded. It might take some time. Okay, now my uploading is done. Yeah, now open the serial monitor. Here's the serial monitor. You can see the values coming from the potentiometer. As I rotate the value, my potentiometer, the value is going to increase, and the maximum value is 1023. As I rotate anti-clockwise, the minimum value I got is 0 volt. Again I'm rotating my potentiometer to clockwise, value is 1023, which means my potentiometer is giving 1023 bits on 5 volt and 0 bits on 0 volt. Okay, so that's all about analog input. Now let's do our next exercise, varying the brightness of this LED by using potentiometer. So here in wiring section, I'll make some changes. I'll connect my LED to any PWM pin instead of simple digital pin. Okay, let's say I'm connecting my pin to pin number 6, which is my PWM pin. Okay, because as our requirement is to vary the brightness of my LED as I rotate the potentiometer. Okay, so that's all about wiring. Now let's do our programming section. So here's my previous code, and I'll make some changes. So let's say in LED is connected to pin number 6, which is my PWM pin. Okay, now we don't need this. The pin mode is our output. Okay, and our while loop, it will remain same because it will read the values coming from potentiometer, values of potentiometer, and will store into our new variable, which is val. Okay. We also don't need this. Okay, now here we have some problem because our analog input channel is of 10-bit resolution. Okay, and our digital input output channel, okay, is of 10-bit resolution. Oh, sorry, 8-bit resolution. Okay, now we have to convert the 10-bit into 8-bit, and it can be done by the function called map. Now what map does, it takes your original value, which is your current value val, okay, and the minimum value of your input 0, and maximum value of your input, which is 1023, and minimum value of your output and maximum value of your output. Now what will happen here, it will change the value 0 into 0 and 10232 to 255, and rest value will change proportionally. Now let's say we store these values to our new variable called val2. You can take any variable you want, so we'll write analog write led val2. Okay, and we'll upload the code on our Arduino board. And the code is being uploaded. You can see my LED got turned on. As I increasing the value of potentiometer, the LED is glowing proportionally. Now it's got dim. Now it glow fully. Okay. Similarly, you can also connect the DC motor and vary the speed of DC motor by potentiometer. Okay, so that's all about analog input and serial communication.